What really happens if you eat 3 eggs every single day? Will it raise your cholesterol? Will it harm your heart? Or could it actually improve your health? Eggs have been one of the most controversial foods in nutrition history. For decades, people were told to limit them. But modern science is now painting a very different picture. Today we're going to break down, system by system, what actually happens inside your body when you eat 3 eggs daily. Let's begin. 1. Your body gets a complete protein boost. 3 eggs provide approximately 18 to 21 grams of high-quality complete protein. Egg protein contains all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot produce on its own. This means improved muscle repair, better recovery after exercise, stronger hair and nails, improved enzyme and hormone production. If you are active, aging, or trying to maintain muscle mass, this protein intake is extremely valuable. Your muscles, immune system, and even your skin depend on it. 2. Your brain gets powerful nutrient support. Eggs are one of the richest sources of choline, a nutrient most people are deficient in. 3 eggs provide a large portion of your daily choline requirement. Choline is critical for memory formation, neurotransmitter production, especially acetylcholine, brain cell membrane structure, focus and cognitive clarity. Low choline intake is associated with brain fog and impaired cognitive performance. Eating 3 eggs daily can significantly support brain efficiency. 3. Your cholesterol levels may change, but not the way you think. Here's where many people get nervous. Yes, eggs contain cholesterol, about 180 to 200 milligrams per egg. 3 eggs provide around 540 to 600 milligrams of dietary cholesterol. But here's the key. For most healthy individuals, dietary cholesterol does not directly translate into dangerous blood cholesterol levels. Your liver regulates cholesterol production. When you eat more cholesterol, your liver often produces less. Research shows that in most people, HDL, good cholesterol, increases. LDL particles may become larger and less harmful. Triglycerides may improve. However, about 20 to 30% of people are hyperresponders and may see a stronger rise in LDL. This is why individual monitoring matters. 4. Your eyes receive antioxidant protection. Egg yolks contain lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 powerful antioxidants that accumulate in the retina. These compounds protect against oxidative damage, reduce risk of macular degeneration, support long-term vision health. Interestingly, the fat in egg yolk enhances the absorption of these antioxidants. So eating whole eggs, not just egg whites, is important for this benefit. 5. Your hormone production may improve. Eggs contain healthy fats and cholesterol, both of which are raw materials for hormone production. Cholesterol is the foundation for testosterone, estrogen, cortisol, vitamin D. Very low cholesterol diets can sometimes impair hormone balance. 3 eggs per day may help support optimal hormone function, especially in individuals with higher nutritional demands. 6. Your blood sugar may become more stable. Eggs are low in carbohydrates and high in protein and fat. This combination slows digestion, reduces glucose spikes, improves satiety, reduces cravings. Eating eggs for breakfast has been shown to reduce calorie intake later in the day. For people managing insulin resistance or metabolic syndrome, this can be very beneficial. 7. Your weight management may improve. Because eggs are highly satiating, 3 eggs can keep you full longer, reduce unnecessary snacking, support fat loss when combined with a balanced diet. Protein increases thermogenesis, meaning your body burns more calories digesting it. This supports metabolic efficiency. 8. Your liver may benefit if you're not overeating processed foods. Choline in eggs is critical for liver function. It helps prevent fat accumulation in the liver. Low choline intake is linked to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. 3 eggs daily can help support proper liver fat metabolism, especially when part of a whole food diet. 9. Are there risks? For most healthy individuals, 3 eggs per day is safe. However, caution may be needed if you have familial hypercholesterolemia, have uncontrolled diabetes with dyslipidemia, are advised by your physician to restrict cholesterol. Cooking method also matters. Deep frying eggs in processed oils reduces their health value. Boiled, poached, or lightly scrambled in healthy fats are better options. 10. The bigger picture. 3 eggs daily will not determine your health in isolation. What matters is your overall diet quality, your physical activity, your metabolic health, your genetics. Eggs are nutrient-dense, affordable, and highly bioavailable. For most people, they are a powerful addition to a balanced diet. So what happens if you eat 3 eggs a day? You may experience better muscle repair, improved brain function, stable blood sugar, stronger hormone support, improved satiety, protection, liver support, and for most healthy individuals, no dangerous cholesterol spike. As always, individual monitoring is key. Nutrition is not about fear. It's about understanding how your body responds. This is the System Clinic, where we break health down system by system. Would you eat 3 eggs a day? Let me know in the comments section. And if you value system-based, evidence-informed health education, subscribe to the System Clinic for more breakdowns like this.